Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called The Road to Mastery from the book 23 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. The Road to Mastery. Through trial and error, we tough the storm. The wind blows against our soul in this illusionary world. We don't understand life as we squeeze tight to be right. The ideas that once worked are now expired in this illusionary world. Through trial and error, we make our stance, declare what we know. The wind blows beneath our feet and shakes us deep. We declare our wants, more comes against us. As we make our stance and are now sturdy in this illusionary world. Through trial and error, the wind doesn't shake us. As we learn through leaping forward through the laws that govern us all. The wind remains beneath our feet as we make our stance in this illusionary world. Through trial and error, we stand up straight, firm, unwavering, ready to play. As we acknowledge our ways in this created reality, where we declare out loud and write the script. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for a new meditation I learned. I am grateful for a new book I found. I am very grateful for love. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.